Good morning, children. This is the continuation part of our worksheet number 6. So, today we are learning the grammar bits. Complete these sentences by using the past continuous or the present continuous forms of the verbs given in the brackets. Continuous. So remember children one thing, whenever we are saying like continuous means ing will be followed. Ing form will be followed with our main verb. So it is past and present. Present we use V1 form. For the past we use V2 to complete the sentences according to the tense. Tense is nothing but a time. Either it's a present time, past or the future time. Or with their continuation. Present continuous, past continuous or future continuous. Now see, first one is already done for us. We dash to Dharamshala next week. Where they are going? Dharamshala. So we is the word used for plural, more than one. So we should use ARER. The word given is go. It is in continuation. So you should say going. We are going to Dharamshala next week. Second one. Ashish dashed his room when his friends arrived. Here you can see what the boy is doing. Because his friends are going to come, arrived means they are going to come to his house. The word given is clean. So what he is doing? Ashish is cleaning his room. Next, third one. Robin dash when he broke his leg. Third one. Robin dash when he broke his leg. Robin was skating. When he broke his leg, the past tense of break is nothing but broke. So what he was doing at that time? He was skating. Now fourth one. Dash it, dash raining when you reached Chennai. Was it raining? Was. Whenever you are beginning a sentence, it should begin with a capital letter. Was it raining when you reached Chennai? Fifth one. Mukul and Sania dash dance classes these days. Plural. Mukul and Sania, more than one. So we use ARER. So it is in these days. It is a continuation. So we use taking. Mukul and Sania are taking the dance classes these days. Sixth one. Alena dash better now. Now it's of present. She is alone. She is only one. So we use is. Alena is feeling better now. The sentence is of present continuous form. Is feeling better now. Now, vocabulary. We often use compound adjectives to describe people. Look at this table. Form compound adjectives with these words and use them to describe 4 different people to your partner. For every person, use 2 compound adjectives. So here, compound adjective is the word compound. Compound means the combination of 2 words. It gives a meaningful word. That is called compound. So here the two of adjectives. So we should take the two adjectives to qualify some person. So with our partner, we should use two compound words in one sentence. So what are the options given? Hair or head. How the hair is? Curly or wavy. Straight or long. Straight and long, and short. Face. How the face is? Round, long, chubby. Nose. Sharp, long, or flat. So let us try to write these words, these two words, compound words in our single sentence. First one is done for us, that curly haired, round faced girl is my sister. Here you can see a round faced with a curly hair. In that same way, we should use two compound words to describe the people around us. Okay, now second one. So what we have? Curly finished. So we shall use straight now. The straight long haired with a long face we can use. Means only two words at a time. So I am taking straight long with a long face. That straight long haired with long face is my sister. Now third one. My mother has a wavy round face. How the face? The face is round. Fourth one. Now we'll use father. My father is long headed because he has a long head. Long headed with long nose. Fifth one. Short we have the word. So that short haired girl is our neighbor. Hope that everyone understood how to write these words. Thank you.